Hi folks, so this video is to help with understanding how we are going to use Cengage with Proctorio through Canvas. So that means we're using 3 different programs. As you can imagine, it doesn't work as seamlessly as we would have hoped. So I'm going to show you some of the things that may look weird in your gradebook, and I want to reassure you that the numbers do work out and what you can look for, and then I'm going to show you how you will actually take the assessment. So next week in week 3, I have quiz 4 as a Cengage quiz that will be monitored via Proctorio. This is basically done as a way to help practice for the exam. After quiz 4, no other quiz will use Proctorio. Only exams will use Proctorio. I understand that it takes a lot of data to use this system, and I don't want to end up kind of consuming all of your data for a month or whatever, taking assessments every week using Proctorio. So we're only going to use it for exams. So first I want to just show you real quick. If you went into your grades, you'll start seeing the different quizzes and everything that are going. So right now, you see this. Please ignore the date. This is just a student dummy course that I have set up so that I can show you these things. Please go off the dates that you see on your actual modules. So you see here it says Quiz 4, Chapter 3, remotely proctored. That means it uses Proctorio. The important thing here that you need to see that everyone freaks out about, it says that it's worth 0 points, right? This is out of total number of points. And it says it's worth 0 points. That is correct. We have to actually use Canvas to open Proctorio, and then we go into another assignment within that to open Cengage. That's why this one's worth 0 points. If you look down further, you will see another quiz 4. It says click here only if you went through the module. This is the one that actually has the points associated with it. So what does this look like? What are you going to do? You're going to go to modules like we always do. And next week when it's time, right, when week 3 occurs, you will go to week 3 and you'll click on Quiz 4 Remotely Proctored. You'll see this is the 0.1. Don't worry about it. This is the one you're supposed to hit, okay? Like we've always talked about, the way the course is designed is just start at the top of the module and click through all the way down, okay? Now, Monday for us in week 3 is a holiday. So I can't, we have no synchronous time. So I'm giving you Monday through Friday to take quiz 4. It's still timed, and you have ample time to take it, but you will have kind of a week to take it in. I would encourage you to get it over with. Okay, so I give you all sorts of instructions. I tell you it's only got 3 questions, but I'm giving you 90 minutes to take it. This is to give everybody no pressure dealing with going between Cengage, Proctorio, Canvas, and all that kind of stuff. This is week 3. It actually does have chemistry on the quiz. This is dealing with chapter 3. Right, quiz 4, chapter 3. There are 3 questions from chapter 3 on it. So when you're ready to begin, you'll hit take the quiz. And just like we always warn you, right, you're just about to start on Proctorio. Make sure you've got all your pre-check things going. So it's going to check for the webcam, the microphone, connections, all that kind of good stuff. You let it know what screen you're sharing. And there we are. So another late night video for me. Go ahead and hit next. Go through the rest of the setup within Proctorio. Okie dokie. That's me. Okay, so now we're actually running Proctorio. So it's recording all of this, and it's going to bring us back into Canvas to the Quiz 4 Chapter 3 page. And once we're here, you will see this down here. Only click here if you went through the module, which you did, so click it. Yes, it's going to take us away. It's going to take us to Cengage. And hopefully you'll see that it now has actual points associated with it, and this should look familiar. This is just like your homeworks, right, that take you to your online homework in Cengage. This is how you will get to Quiz 4 as well as your exams. So real quick, you will, if you've already purchased your subscription, this will probably go a little quicker. My dummy account is still on the trial, so I think it might bounce me around a little bit. If you have your subscription all set up, it should take you directly to the assignment. If you don't, it's probably going to bounce you around and you'll have to click into it. So if you haven't signed up yet, you'll see how you do it. If you did, it's just going to take you straight to the quiz. So while this bounces me around a little bit, I would encourage you to take notes on how to sign in and go through this, kind of double assignment to get to Cengage. That way when you're on an exam, you know what you have to do, and that'll kind of reduce stress for you. And Cengage is taking its time. There we go. Like I said, I am on my trial still for this account. As I said, if you have your subscription already, it should just take you straight to the assignments. But I have to bounce around a little bit. So this is probably good if you haven't subscribed yet. Now you're seeing how you got to get in. Still loading. I will always cushion the time, so if you do have slow startups like this, please do not panic. There will be time for you to take the assessment. So I clicked on our class, which is the Spring 21 Chem 200 class. Again, make sure that it looks like our textbook and says Sardo. And you will see that Quiz 4 Chapter 3 will be available to you. It just says retake for this account because I went through and made sure that everything worked before I started it. So quizzes in Cengage or exams in Cengage are a little different than your homework. Again, you will only have one try at it. Unlike your assessments for your homework where you have unlimited tries, you do not have unlimited tries. You will have to complete everything in one go. You won't be able to see if you got an answer right or wrong and all that kind of stuff. So you would click Start Now, and that would start your quiz. I'm obviously not going to click that because then you would see the questions. But this is how you would get in. And then when you're done, you would simply submit and stop sharing, and it'll be over with. And when you do that, you will end up, so I'm just going to hit stop sharing right now. We can cancel this. Just come back to our Cengage page. You will see after you've submitted, after you've submitted your quiz on OWL, it will take you right through and it will give you a grade, and you will see that come up in your grade book. So if you have any questions with this prior to you starting, please let me know and I'm happy to help you. But you do have 90 minutes to kind of navigate through this and figure it out. So let me know, and if you accidentally submit before doing something, I'll open it up for you to take again so that you can go in and retake it if there's an issue. That's what's nice about using Proctorio, is I can see if you accidentally hit submit, and it's really easy to just let you take it again. So again, Let me know if you have questions, and good luck.